Hello everybody. Today, after a long time, Inspiration Academy is meeting you with a grade 8 science lesson. Without wasting the time, let's begin. The lesson today we are going to discuss from this video is measurements associated with electricity. First of all, we should talk what is electric current. You might get the idea directly from this diagram. But let's see the definition for electric current. Flow of electrical current through a closed circuit is known as electric current. In this diagram also you can see electrons moving inside a closed circuit. Now we are going to talk about direction of flow of electric current. Normally, current flows from positive terminal to the negative terminal of a diagram. Here in this diagram, you can see a circuit system using symbols. Sometimes, if you are not familiar with these symbols, you can see the names of those symbols on the B side. Now, let's talk about measuring the electric current. The symbol for electric current is capital I, and the SI unit or the international unit for electric current is ampere. Capital A symbolizes ampere. Now let's talk about the subunits. Here is the symbol for milliampere and it is the symbol for microampere. 1000 milliampere equals 1 ampere, while 1000 microampere equals 1 milliampere. Equipment used to measure the electric current is a meter. This is the symbol for a meter. Here for your extra knowledge, you can see a circuit diagram and this is the external view of a ammeter. Now let's talk about potential difference. The difference of electric potential energy between the two terminals of the cell is called the voltage. Voltage means the potential difference. In the two terminals, positive terminal has a high potential energy, while negative terminal has a low potential energy when compared with the positive terminal. Here is the symbol for potential difference. It's V. And SI unit is volt, and equipment used to measure the potential difference is voltmeter. Here is the symbol for voltmeter. And this is the external wave of a voltmeter. Now let's talk about measuring voltage and current in a circuit. In a circuit, a meter should be connected in the series method and the voltmeter should be connected in parallel method. So what is series method and parallel method? Here you can see the way that a meter is connected in this diagram and the voltmeter is connected. This method is known as series method and this method is known as the parallel method. Now let's talk about voltages of some cells and batteries. Here is the cell or the battery and here is the voltage. Dry cell carries the voltage about 1.5 watts and lead acid accumulator 12 watts and button cell has 3 watts. Instances where current and voltage have to be taken in our day-to-day life. To make sure accurate voltage supply is there in houses, factories. To detect defects of electrical appliances, measuring the current of consumption. To take measurements associated with electricity in power generators. To identify whether the parts of electrical appliances area functioning properly when repairing. So now we are going to discuss the last topic in this video. Resistance of a conductor. The obstacle caused by a conductor to current flow through it is known as the resistance of a conductor. This denotes the resistance symbol and unit used to measure resistance of a conductor is ohm. Here is the symbol for ohm. Used in electrical circuits to control electric current. Here are the symbols, and this image represents the external view of resistance. This is for your extra knowledge. This is how the resistance is calculated. And this is a circuit diagram which includes a resistor. Now let's have a quiz. Try answering these questions at home alone. Let's begin. What is potential difference? The difference between the two terminals of a cell is known as the potential difference. Name the equipment used to measure electric current. A meter is the equipment used to measure the electric current. What is electric current? Flow of electrical charges through a closed circuit is known as electric current. What is the voltage of a dry cell? 1.5 volts. To measure current, how is voltmeter connected to a circuit? In parallel method. How many milliamperes equals 1 ampere? 1000 milliamperes equals 1 ampere. What is the SI unit for potential difference? Volt. What is the direction of current flow? Positive terminal to negative terminal. What is the equipment connected in series method to measure the current in circuit? It's a meter. What is known as resistance of a conductor? The obstacle caused by a conductor to flow of current by it. So, hope you learned something from this video today also. So, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also drop a like and give a comment on our video and the lessons you hope from us. So, with the hope of meeting you again soon with a new video, we are being silent for today. Thank you for watching Inspiration Academy, beginning of a new decade.